we had added functionality to our calculator if, and we had successfully created our functional calculator application using React. What that doesn't look good despite of being fully functional. Let's start our server first. Okay, go to your terminal, then command npm start. Okay, it takes some times to run our server. Okay, we had used function, we had given that all the functionalities to the calculator application, but it looks boring. Okay, so we'll add here css. Okay, this looks boring due to lack of css. Okay, we'll use here css to make it more 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 attractive and beautiful. Go to your editor, then first in the public folder, okay, create a one file that named what, index.css, index.css. okay, oh, I have made here, sorry, delete this file. Okay, I have already created here in the okay, this is the index.css. okay, first import this index.css in index.js file. Okay, in the top. Okay, I have already imported that index.css file here. Okay, import current directory index.css. okay, go to your index.css. I'll remove these all these parts. Okay, so it will easy to write code. And okay, go to your index.css. okay, first add a default margins. Okay, margin 0 pixel. Okay, then padding also 0 pixel. Padding 0. Border radius also 0 pixel. Then another is box sizing. Box sizing border box. Then another is font size. Font size 110%. Save this. Okay, after that we'll use here for root section. Okay, for root we'll use here text align center. Save this. Okay, go to your browser. Okay, then it will load this in the center of the web page. Okay, after that, okay, we'll use here for the calculator title. Okay, class we'll use dot. Okay, calculator title. Okay, for calculator title we'll give font size 30 pixel. Then background as FFF. okay, white color, we will give here white color. Okay, after that width 400 pixel, then padding 10 pixel, then 10 pixel. Okay, then margin 0, then auto, then margin top 20 pixel, border radius 2 pixel. After that border 2 pixel solid, black, then color is fuchsia F50. Okay, save this file. Okay, if you reload it, okay, you will get this color. Okay, after that we will add main dot in main cal class. Okay, C capital, margin 0 pixel, 0 pixel, then padding 0 pixel, padding 0 pixel, then border radius 0 pixel, zero pixel, then box sizing border box. Okay, save this. Okay, if you go to your browser, then you will see the effect. Okay, after that then we will use for border screen. Okay, then use dot CRE and screen, dot screen, then row input will provide here width 400 pixel, then background DD, then border 0 pixel, border 0, color 222, then padding 10 pixel, then text align, right. All these are the CSS property. Okay, you have to learn CSS to write these codes. Okay, otherwise you don't understood. okay. Then we'll provide input. Oh, sorry. Input, then type for button, okay, we'll use here type. This is for button, type button, then use curly braces, okay. Width 5 pixel, 100 pixel, okay. Then background for CAF 50, then background, then border 1 pixel solid black, solid as white, okay, to black. Then another color padding 10 pixel, 20 pixel, okay, 10 pixel, then 20 pixel, then color black, text align, center, then text decoration, none, then display inline black, inline block, okay. Then font size 10 pixel, 20 pixel, 16 pixel, okay. Then save this, okay. After that we'll use here input, then type equal to button is to active, for active, then background white. After adding these CSS in our index.css, okay, we'll reload our browser, okay. Then we'll get here the awesome lookup or calculator, okay. If you click 7, okay, then it will display 7, okay, plus 5 equal to, then you will get 12 here, okay. This is the function, this is the advantage of CSS, okay. With the help of CSS we customize our looks of our calculator, okay. It looks a professional calculator, okay. This is the last section of our calculator project. Thank you.